Special Prevention Crime Unit officers presented Elizabeth Wambui Kimani, the woman said to have recruited the self-confessed serial killer Phillip Onyancha into a cult at the Kibera law courts after holding her in custody for 2 weeks. Onyancha claimed that Wambui had mentored him into a cult that drove him into killing 19 people for blood. For the first time, Wambui was treated to full glare of the public and cameras. She appeared uncomfortable. She was brought before Senior Principal Magistrate Nzioka
Elizabeth Wambui Kimani
to answer charges of administering an oath to Phillip Onyancha in Kenyatta Mahiga Secondary School in Nyeri in 1996. An oath that supposedly bound Onyancha to commit murder when called upon to do so. Wambui, however, denied the charge. The prosecution moved to request the court to grant permission to have Wambui remain in remand for 4 more days at the Kilimani police station to give them time for further investigations. The magistrate granted the application, but Wambui wanted to be released on bail, arguing that she had already spent 14 days in custody. The prosecutor, however, maintains that investigators were still collecting more evidence and may prefer more charges against her. But even before investigators pressed more charges against Wambui, the court dismissed her bail application since she has been charged with a serious offence and may be sentenced to death if found guilty. Prosecution is relying on Onyancha as the key witness, and since he has a case pending in court, prosecution requested for Wambui's case to be hastened. The case will be mentioned next week on Monday, as Onyancha is expected to go back to court on Tuesday to answer to murder charges preferred against him. Meanwhile, detectives in Kisii continue to hold the latest serial killer, who confessed to have killed 7 people. George Okoth voluntarily admitted that he was also a member of a cult that kills for human hair. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Live at 9.